Old MacDonald had a farm. Let's learn and sing the rhyme together. Come sing with me. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. Now what's that? That's a cow. What does the cow say? With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. What is that? That's a chicken. What does the chicken say? With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a goat, E-I-E-I-O. Now what's that? That's a goat. Now what does the goat say? With a mama here and a mama there, here a ma, there a ma, everywhere a mama, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. Now what is that? That's a duck. What sound does the duck make? What does it say? With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. Who is that? That's a dog. What does the dog say? With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse. Who is that? That's a horse. What does the horse say? With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a lamb. What does the lamb say? With a Baa Baa here and a Baa Baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a Baa Baa, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. Look who's that? That's a pig. What does the pig say? Oink oink. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.